This is my Volkswagen GTI MK6, and today we are going to be swapping stock wheels on it for some brand new wheels. Let's go. Boys, I messed up. Yo, check this out.
Yo, check the hot tub.
I know this is a wheel video, but ready for this? Yo, check the hot tub. Yo. Check the hot tub, bro. Yo, check the hot tub. So the hot tub is overflowed now. Alright, since I'm already soaked, I might as well. Hopefully I don't soak this camera, please. What a turn of events for the first opening of this video. I kind of wanted to come back to vlogging my car with like a shebang, and I guess I am, because I might have just flooded my key. Don't celebrate too early, but I'm pretty sure I just pressed the lock button twice and heard the car outside. Dude, what in the world? I jumped in the pool with my wallet and keys. What is going on? I think we're good. Lock, unlock. Lock, unlock. I think we did it. Yo, SRTG, let's get it. Start up, start up. What wheels did we go with? The Sparco. I'll pop up my bunk screen. I don't remember the exact name. I think they'll look 10 times better than the gold. Ever since I bought the car, I've never really been a big fan of the gold. So now that I'm getting rid of the gold, I think this car is gonna look really, really nice. Still not an M4, but I mean. I'm not gonna lie, this key is all sorts of done goofed up. That was a lock, unlock. That was supposed to be a lock, but it sounded like it. Okay, so now we have to go through and pull all the lug covers off on the old wheels. That should be fun. I can't wait to do that.
Stop the cap.
You have to rip off these things. See, now you can see the exposed lugs. We'll get to it. So now I'm gonna try to jack the car up and put the first wheel on, see how it is. So let's hope this goes all well. Boys, we clutched up. I found a new jack. We're gonna hit the robbery from the neighbor and grab the jack with the truck. Right over. Dude, she knows what time it is. She knows that it's dial time. We're dialing in. Okay, so now of course we have to pull the wheels back out of the garage. Hooray! I gotta torque the wheels. This is either a really good idea or a really bad idea.
Bruh.
PVC. Boys, it's happening. Boys. Woo! Oh my gosh. That was the most gangster pull I've ever did. Oh. Dude, I'm not gonna even lie. Someone was walking by with their dog. The one broke super aggressively, like how all those other ones came down pretty easily. It like fucking broke. I fell flat on my ass. I don't like where it's placed. It's hot out today.
Baby,
not gonna lie.
Yeah, baby, come on. Like shawty, what's up? Let's roll up a blunt. I do what I want. I stay by the sun. I stay with the funds. Am I right or am I wrong? Like, let's roll up that doja. Shawty, she was off the drugs. She was slumped over. So I told her, baby, call me up when you sober. I just need to talk it out. I just need some closure. Got one chance at this life, no do-overs. Shawty on me, this gas got me dancing like Billie Jean. 60 made $500,000. I cannot believe. Been where I've been, you ain't seen what I seen. Back in the tropics, exotic, blowing that beat.
He's an idiot.
The last clip I filmed was a little intense. The brake dropped onto the wheel and I got really nervous. I didn't know if I was like a goner. So we fixed it. So now I just loosened the other side. We gotta just throw them all in the car.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. But how much I be looking at you from the face down?
Okay, boys, we got them on. Me jumping in the pool with the key, to the entire car falling on its brakes, which there's still a mark on this wheel if you can see it right there. The black looks so much more aggressive. Wheels look pretty good. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, dude, I'm so out of breath. In the sun, it looks pretty good. Like I said, it just has to be cleaned up a bit. It looks pretty good. From afar. Hey.